Hi and welcome to Orgonise Africa here in Johannesburg. We are the Orgonise Africa team. This is Reno, Katharina, Friederike and George. We just wanted to talk about how to organize your home, which is basically, after your personal protection, the next layer of Orgonite that you will want to have. So the very basic tool is this rough and ready Dirty Harry Tower Buster, which we are using for our environmental gifting and also for around your property. So when you live in a freestanding house, you want to put one of these in every corner of your property. If you live in an apartment block, you will have to find places around that block where you can hide them in the bushes or just dig them in a little bit. Then we have the Slick Gym Tower Buster, which is basically the same. It's just got a smooth surface. It's not made to look particularly pretty, but at least it's not scratching the surface of your furniture. So you would put it like this around the house, for example, next to your Wi-Fi, next to your electrical DB box. For those that have what you call it, these smart meters. We have the smart meter shield, which has it's a big piece of Orgonite with shungite and other gemstones,
red jaspis.
Yeah, red jaspis, tourmaline, which is ideally configured to neutralize that nasty radiation coming from your smart meter. But it can also be used for your Wi-Fi router, for example.
Directly with a tape.
Yeah, it's got a sticky tape. So that's basic protection. And then we have beautiful pieces which we think of as like an anchor. You know, it's like you put the basic protection around your house, and then you want to have something like this golden lapis pyramid, or perhaps the Muti HHG. Yeah, so these are, there are other pieces that we're going to talk now, which are a matter of personal preference also. But I think that's the basic, is that you want to have something around your property, you want to have something in your electrical DB box, you want to neutralize smart meters and Wi-Fi routers, and you want to put one or two beautiful pieces in your living room or in your bedroom. And I think I'm going to give the word over.
Okay, I'm going to start with my favorite that I actually use every day. That's a food charging plate, and you can put your pot of water on it, or your food even, and then you can also use it on your body. So you just put it on your chest when you want to sleep or something, and that coil with a magnet is actually bringing the organ energy directly into your body, and it's very calming and really, really nice. Mm-hmm. So this is my favorite tool. And then my second favorite that I also use a lot is a pink cashew brick with rhodochrosite, which is a fantastic stone for dreaming. That's also why it has a little dream catcher inbuilt already. So if you hold that while you're sleeping, it will definitely vitalize your dreams. It's quite amazing.
Mm-hmm. I'm just going to carry on the subject of sleep and show you the SBB, which is also great. Actually, we've had quite a few customers reporting that this is amazing for sleep when you put it underneath your bed. It also has that lovely double copper coil with the magnet inside, so it's very, very strongly concentrating the organ energy. And personally, I really just love to hold this because it fits in the hand so nicely. So I love using this for meditation, and I also love using this for any kind of healing work. Just because of the coil, because of the golden lapis lazuli, it really opens and it helps with any kind of expression that you're trying to do. So this is one of my absolute favorites. And the eggs are my other favorites. These are our Easter eggs that are very colorful, and these are the beautiful black shungite eggs that actually have the shungite stone in them. And they also just feel so nice in the hands, and they're obviously not just for Easter, but they look really gorgeous everywhere. The egg obviously has a very strong symbolism as well. And yeah, these are some of my favorites. On to you.
On to my favourites
Do you
are
want
yes, my African Muti products. With our Muti range, it has the basic Orgonite matrix that protects you against EMF, radiation and all evil spirits, but it's boosted by ancient African herbs that we find here in the motherland. And also it has a little Muti cross where you will find it gilded with gold, and gold is a very positive, masculine, protective energy. So it keeps off negative thoughts and emotions from other people, like people thinking badly and speaking badly about you. My other favorite one is the silver and shungite range. Silver, on the other hand, is a very feminine energy, so very more calming. Also Orgonite matrix of shungite, where it is superior against anti-EMF and all those lovely things, but also just feels quite fun and happy to hold. Same with the Muti range, where it protects you from bad dreams and bad energies again. So also very, very nice, because it has a cowrie shell in the ancient form of money in Africa and Asian countries. And yeah, that's all from me.
Thank you. Your favorite?
My favorite is also the egg and this dodecahedron. The dodecahedron is actually the 5th platonic solid, and it is a spiritual protection type shape. So if you visualize the dodecahedron around yourself in your meditation, you're actually protected from spiritual or psychic attacks. And the dodecahedron looks maybe simple, it's very difficult to make. It's got a little round ball in it where very small needle crystals are stuck in such a way that one crystal points to each vertex of this dodecahedron. So it's a lot more to this thing than it looks like. It's very powerful as a kind of spiritual space protector. So I recommend that to all people who do some sort of psychic healing work and things like that, and need protection from negative influences. So I think those that this is made for will exactly know what I'm talking about. I wanted to say something about the egg, because actually we were inspired to make these eggs after visiting Russia. And look at the classical babushka figure with the doll within a doll and so on. It's actually also an egg. And the egg is a very interesting shape. It's considered as a holy shape in Russia, which obviously goes back to pre-Christian conceptions of fertility and so on. The egg is a globe, and it's also a pyramid, because it's actually a pyramid and a sphere, the pyramid inscribed in the egg. All the church spire of the Russian Orthodox churches are essentially egg-shaped. They're often represented or referred to as onion-shaped, but it's not really true, it's actually an egg. And interestingly, below these church spires in those spaces, people found a total absence of pathogenic organisms, no viruses, there is a great purity created by that energy that these eggs, this egg shape creates. So with Easter coming up, we have this lovely selection of colorful eggs. Particularly powerful, I think, is the black one with the shungite in it, like Katarina already said. Now that's my favorites, and I mean all Orgonite is my favorite, but
it's so hard to pick. But I think we've got a really good selection here, and I hope that this helps everyone to actually find some favorite pieces for their own home, and to do the basic coverage, and then add some of those anchoring pieces, like George said. And we'll leave you with that. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.